this lesson, we're going to review the absolute formula. The absolute formula returns the absolute value of a number. The absolute value of a number is the number without its positive or negative integer signs. This can be useful when you're working with debits and credits in a trial balance or general ledger and just need the number to appear in one direction to find the sum of the numbers or for other presentation purposes. The formula is pretty simple. It's just comprised of numbers. So you'd just want to reference a cell that contains a number. Let's take a look at an example. In our example, the general manager of a second-hand car dealership wants to remove the negative sign in its trial balance for presentation purposes. The trial balance, located below, shows all the liability accounts with negative signs and brackets. So let's take a look at the trial balance. As you can see, the trial balance is included in rows 34 through 56. So we've got the account code, account name, and then various branch locations, as well as a consolidated balance. And in column H, we're computing the absolute value of the consolidated balance that's located in column G. So let's open up one of the cells for the absolute value contained within cell H35 to determine how we set up the absolute value formula. So the only thing that we did was we put in the absolute value formula, which is ABS, open parentheses, and then reference the cell beside it, which is cell G35 in this case. We press enter and we can see that the balance is without any signs for the absolute value. We can drag that down and we can calculate the absolute value of the rest of the cells. When it comes to a positive integer, there's going to be no change because it already has no sign shown. So that's pretty much all there is to calculating the absolute value of a number. Again, you just use ABS, open parentheses, and then reference the cell beside it, and it'll calculate the absolute value and present it without a negative sign. Absolute values can also be added up. So if I wanted to add the sum of the payable to regulatory agency located in row 49, I can do that. I can take the sum of the subtotal of items that are included above it. And if I press enter, I can see that it calculates the sum of what's above it. Notice that when I do that for row 49, it doesn't equal the value that's contained in the consolidated balance, which is in row G49, i.e. G49 does not equal H49 because G49 has a bunch of negative values as well as one positive value which offsets it in row 48, whereas in the absolute value column, it's all positive integers, and therefore it's just adding them all together to get $42,165,029.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe from you. And if you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel, check out these videos above. And don't forget to check out our website, commercecurve.com, where we have lots of in-depth finance and accounting courses available with full training workbooks. All of our courses come with complete workbooks of lessons, examples, pre-built financial models, and training video. Hope to see you there.